trophy. Yay!
I think it's a very
win this award. I think the content, there are a lot of folks, all the experts sitting here talking about content. That's the king in the world today. Fortunately for us, that's worked very well. A year back, I think we were at a traffic of close to 8 to 10 million, with generating close to almost like 250 million page views. We kind of focused back onto our content, became the second largest site in the country today, and primarily across the languages. From a meager 8 to 10 million uniques, we raised our bar to 50 million. That's what we stand for, and this is purely because of content and engagement. We understand hardware. They're primarily looking at their digital platforms. So those are the people which we are focusing upon, and content definitely has played a great role. From a meager 250 million page views, we've now grown to a 2 billion page views within a period of 12 months. And this primarily happened because of content. Thank you very much.
And our portal caters to as long as around 35,000 during 35,000 tickets during peak days. And as per Google Analytics, we are the most sought after website in the land transport business. Thank you.
This award on behalf of Harsh Agarwal, and he's in the house. Harsh, please.
Come forward. Hello sir, congratulations. So, you have to say something about the talk.
Alright, thank you for the award, and I feel like I'm vlogged right now. Thank you everyone.
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations.
We're a programmatic solution that helps decrease the
Pockets is primarily, launched about a year and a half back to target the youth. And just yesterday we had about 5 million customers. So I think we are very happy about it. A lot of more innovations coming across. Thank you. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm very lucky to be here amongst the talented digital people. As you know, IRCTC, we do internet ticketing. We do close to 6 lakh tickets per day, which is more than all the airlines sold worldwide tickets. We have increased our capacity to 15,000 tickets per minute from around 2,400 a few years back. And we don't want to increase it further because if the ticket vanishes in Tatkal time in 1 second, so people will be cribbing that we are not able to get the ticket. We are 100% owned by Government of India, we have 100% PSU, and we have got a lot of faith on this 1 rupee coin. We give insurance worth rupees 10 lakh for less than a rupee, 92 paisa. We give cold water for 1 rupee, glass of water you can get at stations. And we are doing a lot of works in packaged drinking water. We do a lot of charitable works also. We have given about huge amount of discount to.
Congratulations to the winners, everyone. Please give them a
So this campaign
campaign was basically launching the largest corporate house in India, one of the largest corporate houses in India, Reliance, and they were entering into defense and they wanted to make some noise in the sense saluting the armed forces. So what we came up with was a simple idea. We were leveraging the trend, selfie, and what we had to do was take a selfie and upload it on your Twitter handle using the hashtags. This is the innovation. So you tweet to us with the hashtag salute selfie, and we'll reply to you with a your profile picture in tricolor, like overlaid with tricolor. We got 16,000 people changing their profile picture. We got a special mention by Twitter on their 10th birthday. All the celebrities participated. It was started by Amitabh Bachchan to Dhoni, everybody. Priyanka Chopra, Shah Rukh Khan, everybody participated. So yeah, and the impressions we got were approximately 6,500 million impressions on the campaign. Thank you.
Okay, that was a great campaign, but would you like to take a selfie with all of us right now?
I can take that.
Actually, I get excited about selfies, you know.
I can understand.
Okay, all set?
And I think this is the 7th or the 8th award we're winning for them this year. And this campaign was basically about some animated characters called Boo-Boos that we made. There was an entire family, and how Bajaj Allianz is taking care of the entire family with insurance. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations to the winners here. Come on everyone, please give them a huge round of applause.
Been working with them for almost a year now, and this campaign was basically one of its kind because what we did with IPL was that we replaced logos. Usually what you see on all the jerseys and all the caps and uniforms is that there are brand logos. So what we did was there was a pimple and a question mark which was there for almost 3 matches in a row. And in the 4th match we just introduced that it's owned by the brand Himalaya and how Himalaya's face wash can remove pimples from your skin. So that was the campaign all about. Thanks a lot.